Do you already know all of these colors and animals? No? Let's learn colors and animals together. Plus, there will be few more surprises. Let's start. Look at the beautiful toy we have here. And these colorful balls. Wow, so pretty. Which color should I pick first? Do you know the name of this color? Purple. Correct. Just like this beautiful jewel beetle. Where should the purple ball go? Yay! In the purple cup. Wow! What just happened? Is there something inside of this cup? Whoa! Do you know what this is? That's a radio. Yeah, people used to listen to music and news before the TV or internet. Okay, the next color is indigo. Just like this gorgeous indigo bunting bird. Isn't she so pretty? Now, let's put the ball into the cup and see what will happen. Whoa! It happened again. We have a surprise in the cup. Let's see what it is on this time. Oh, that's Chase from Paw Patrol. Look, he has an indigo outfit on. Do you love watching Paw Patrol? Who's your favorite character? Let's let Chase go and continue on his mission. The next ball is blue, just like this gorgeous butterfly. Butterflies can be all kinds of different colors. Should the blue ball go into the green cup? No, it goes into the blue cup. That's right. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's in the cup now. Are you excited? Wow, that's a beautiful hippo ballerina. Let's give her a stage to dance on. She's so adorable. Wow, look at her dance. She definitely looks happy. The next color is green, just like this frog. Do you know any other green animals? And the green ball goes into the green cup. I can see something. What's in the green cup? Can you already guess who that is? It's a dinosaur! Exactly. And to be more specific, that's a triceratops. He was one of the biggest dinos ever. This color is called red. And the sea stars can be red too. This ball goes into yellow? No. Pink? No. It goes into the red cup. Correct. And since we got it right again, there's a surprise waiting in the red cup. What is it? Wow! That's a racing car. That's Lightning McQueen from our favorite Disney movie. This ball is yellow, just like the yellow tank fish. There's so many pretty fish, but this one is my favorite. Yellow ball goes into the yellow cup. That's right. And who do we have here this time? I can already see his ears. Do you know who it is? That's Winnie the Pooh. Oh, he's so adorable. He's one of my favorite characters from my childhood. I used to love watching cartoons with Winnie the Pooh and his friends. Next ball is orange. Foxes are orange too. Ball goes into white? No. Orange. Yes, it goes into the orange cup. Yay, we got it right again. Can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, look. That's a kitten tiger. Oh, he's so little. Look at his stripes on the back. And his cute little face. So adorable. This color is pink, just like the flamingo. Flamingos are pink. Let's put it into the pink cup. Wow! Look at how pretty. I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors. What do we have inside here? This looks like shoes. Yes, these are high heel shoes. That's from my Barbie doll. Do you love playing with dolls? I love their cute little accessories. This color is white. There are many white animals, but my favorite is the polar bear. White ball goes into the white cup. Correct. Yay, we got it right again. I really want to see what's hiding inside of this cup. That's a cute white bunny. Look at it, hop, hop, hop. This ball is gray. And the gray animal is a dolphin. Dolphins are amazing creatures. Magic worked again. And we got something hiding inside of the gray cup. And that's a little cat. Oh, look at the cat. Let's pet her. She wants love. Do you love cats? Our next ball is black, just like this Black Panther kitten. A black ball goes into the brown cup? No. It goes into the black cup. What surprise did we get now? Oh, that's another accessory for a doll. That's a little black purse. Or you can also call it a clutch. Very fashionable. And our last ball is brown, just like this camel that came to us straight from the desert. Let's put our last ball into our last brown cup. Yay! Our last little surprise hiding inside of this cup. So exciting. What can it be? Whoa! That's a cool little sports car. Oh, look, it even has a little driver inside. That's so cute. Let's park it right here. We're all done. Now, let's count how many balls we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yay! We had 12 balls. Thank you so much for playing with me.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. See you next time!